So today I'm going to show you how you can make red cabbage pH indicators. Now what you're gonna need for this is, of course, red cabbage. I chopped some up, and some hot water. Pour the hot water on the red cabbage and let it sit for some time. About 10 minutes passed, so it should be ready now. So pour your cabbage juice into a glass or whatever. And that's all, you got your pH indicator. To test it, I got vinegar, tap water, baking soda, and bleach. The cabbage juice changes its color because it has something called anthocyanin in it. You can search it up. So I just realized this was baking powder, not baking soda. So I got baking soda here, which is a base. That's an acid. Well, base and acid, but mostly acid. And now that's what should have happened, but I mixed them up. This is the red cabbage pH chart. You can pause the video to look at it, or you can search it up on Google. And this is the pH chart I used for the glasses. Keep in mind the colors on this one are for normal pH paper you can find at the pharmacy, I think.